If you use WhatsApp, then what you can also do is you can add an add-on in Thunderbird so that you can access your WhatsApp directly by using Thunderbird. So to do that, you simply need to go around onto the tools menu and then go around onto settings right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto, let's say for example, onto the add-ons and themes section, and over here in the add-on section right here, you can type in WhatsApp right here, just like this, and then press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that WhatsApp Web in Thunderbird is an option. You also have the WhatsApp Quick Access and WhatsApp Thunderbird right here. So you can see the reviews and you can see that WhatsApp Quick Access has better reviews right here. So this one doesn't much, so there may be certain issues or user-friendly issues with that. So I'm just going to go around over here onto WhatsApp Quick Access and click on Add to Thunderbird right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and add, and then WhatsApp Web has been added. So if I were to go around and get out right here, just like this, then if I were to go around onto settings, I will be able to access and the WhatsApp settings. So if I were to go around over here onto add-ons and themes, you can see that, wow, WhatsApp Web Quick Access is here, and you can access the WhatsApp over here from the left hand side. As you can see, as you click on it, it directly opens out the WhatsApp web page simply, as you can see right here. And then you get the QR code which you can scan by using your mobile phone so that you can open up your WhatsApp web version in Thunderbird itself. And this is how you can utilize the WhatsApp Web Quick Access add-on inside of Thunderbird directly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.